Alright, June 15th, 2023, Tyler Hayes here, 1022, coming to you from Ladysmith once again with another video lined up for you. Going to have a track gang on the way here, as it's currently following behind the equipment that was behind the U759 that was here. We have that ballast tamper, Jordan spreader, and regulator on the way. Let's check them out on the robot and get back and get them. 650, 689 to lead it. The Fairmount 10 for Mark IV. And surviving WC of 9121. And CN's KSF ballast spreader of 940. And looks like the CN high rail dump truck is about to go onto the main line and join up with them. And have another gate drop for Lake Avenue West because of the next movement for the high rail dump truck that is going to be ready to do a shove here shortly. Oh, never mind, gates have gone back up. Alright, the high rail dump truck is on the main now. We have to activate their strobes though before we start rolling here. This one is the Work Star of 7626. So not bad of seeing me and the track gang going at it today. Why not? After waiting on 345 and U759 to clear out, and I guess the track equipment must have been on standby, as it was at the little spur that leads to the grain elevator at Conrath. So that'll do it for that track gang here at Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. And see you down the main line. Out.